In today's video, we are going to master Claude Artifacts. From what Claude Artifacts are, when you should use them, how to use them, and we are going to create two artifacts live here. So you will have complete understanding when it comes to Claude Artifacts. So the first question is, what is Claude Artifacts? In simple words, if you have any idea, you can turn them in reality and share it with world using artifacts. For example, maybe you want to create a website for your birthday and share it with all of your friends. Not only that, you can host quizzes here, you can create entire research document and share it with your team and your friends. So in simple words, artifacts allow you to turn your ideas into shareable apps, tool or content. And if you still have some doubt, it will be cleared once we will create our first artifacts. So let's get into that. So there are a lot of artifacts already available, like writing editor, PRD to prototype, and there are games, there are record editors, there are 3D simulators, and there are a lot of artifacts already available. You can choose any of them if you want. Like for example, you need a writing editor which you want to share or want to use it for yourself, you can do that. Another example can be a flashcard which you can use, or you can create custom flashcards and share it with your friends and you can practice together. But in today's videos, as we are learning in depth, we are going to create our own artifacts. So I will click on this new artifacts and it will open a new window for us. Is it an app or website, a document or a template, a game, a productivity tool, a creative project, or a quiz or survey? Or if you want to create something else, you can start from a sketch. As you know, we are going to create two artifacts in this video. One will be a website and the second one is a quiz. And the second one is very interesting because you will be participating in the second one. Yes, I will share the second artifact with you and that one is related to this video. So stay tuned for that. First of all, I will select the app and website because we are going to create a website. So here is the idea for our first artifact. So I want to create a website where people can come and rank AI tools. Yes, it will be a tier list where anyone can come and rank all the AI tool available on the internet and download it as image and share it with the friends. And you can also share the link so your friends can also rank it. So let's try to build that out. So it is asking me what type of app or website do you have in mind. So it will be a web app tool. And then it is asking me about the vibe, how I want it. I want it like clean and minimal. So now it asked me what the tool does. So I will let it know that it is a tier list maker for AI tools and let hit enter. Okay, so now it's asking me about the core features, that these will be the core features and I am agree with all of them and I will say yes and hit enter. So it will now start building the artifact for me and create an entire website where I can rank AI tools and download the image after ranking all the AI tools, share it with my friends. As you can see, Claude is start writing the code for our particular website. And this is the magic of artifacts, that now we are seeing code on the right side and all the chat section in the left side. This is crazy. Okay, so our website is done and now let's me try to rank like ChatGPT C tier, Claude S tier, and as you can see it's working. Now if you want to change anything you can do that. If I want I can reset from here, and if I need to export a image I can do it from here. But now I am about to show you a very cool feature. Yes, now you can publish your artifacts. If you click on this publish button, you will see that you can publish this link. I will see a publish and copy link, and after that this artifact is published, and from this link you can access this artifact. I will add this link in my description so you can go and rank your AI tool. Don't forget to share the screenshot with me on Instagram or LinkedIn. So let me open this link on an incognito mode. As you can see here, it's open in incognito mode. There is no account login by me. So let's try to rank it here. As you can see, now I can rank any tool here. Sorry, Claude should be in the style. Okay, this should be okay. It's working. I can add a tool if I want. Like maybe what tool is not available here? I think Gemini is not available, right? Or available? Okay, Gemini is available. What tool is missing here? I think DeepSeek is missing. So I can add the DeepSeek here and then okay, it's done. Now you can add your own AI tool if something is missing. We can improve it of course, but I think it's really cool. You can export, you can from here reset it, it's reset. And the best thing, you can customize it according to you if you want it through your Claude AI. So do some crazy thing and share the link with me. I really want to know what you have changed in this. From here, by the way, you can download the entire HTML, refresh it, or if you want to look at the code, there is an option for that also, that you can look for the entire code if you are a nerd like me. Now we are going to create another artifact which will be very relatable to this particular video, because this will be a quiz. Yes, we are going to build a quiz using Claude AI artifact, and I will share the link with you, and the quiz will be related to Claude AI projects. So after watching this video, you can test out your knowledge, and if you have not gained 60% in that quiz, please watch the video again. What's your quiz and survey idea? I have my own idea, right? I can say I have my own idea, but instead of that, I will write my idea here. I want to create a quiz related to Claude AI projects. So here is a spelling mistake. I will correct it and I will hit enter. Just for fun, personal use, friend, social, student class, I will say friend and social sharing. It will be fun and playful, of course, and let's hit enter. Okay, now Claude is asking that, okay, this will be the format, this will be everything else. So I will say yes. If you want to change something, you can always do it, of course. Okay, so I think it's done. It's just completing. After that, I think we can publish this and try it out how this one look like. As you can see, if you want, you can test it out here. But I will just do the publish thing, and I will share this link with you so you can also test your Claude AI projects knowledge. So let me open a new into another window. I will paste this here. As you can see, it's open now and it is asking us a question. What is Claude command line tool designed for agentic coding? I think right now it's asking us question related to Claude, but I know the answer, so I will say Claude code. But yeah, it is asking us the question related to Claude, so we have to go and change it. I will ask it to ask the question related to only Claude, and I will hit enter. Okay, now it's done. And I think this time it is asking us the question related to Claude projects only. So I will publish it again. Make sure every time you do some changes, you have to publish it again. Otherwise, the last link will be related to that old version. So always make sure you publish it and get the new link. Okay, so I opened the new link and now let's test it out. I will read the question and answer them. What is the main purpose of the projects in Claude AI? By the way, I forget it that this quiz is related to Claude projects, not Claude artifacts. And I have already created the video where I explained Claude projects. If you have not watched it, please go and watch that out video. So now it is time to check our Claude AI projects knowledge. So what is the main purpose of the Claude projects? To organize conversation and share a context first. Okay, so here you can see the score. Till now all the answers are right. And now to showcase you it's working well on the right and wrong answer also. I will intentionally select a wrong answer because the right answer for this is which of these best use case for Cloud project. A one-time no, an ongoing workflow in the Cloud, consistent context, tone and reference material. This one is the right answer, but I will click on this one so I can show you like, okay, whenever you are wrong, it's saying you are wrong and not just all the time right? Okay, as you can see, this one is right, this one is wrong, but I will see my results. And as you can see, it will show your results. You can try again, you can share your score, you can do a lot more stuffs, right? I hope you understand that how artifacts work. After that, you can go if you want to do some changes. You want like a 100 question, and every time your questions should be random. You can do that. You can use it whenever you want to practice your knowledge related to any lecture or any tutorial you are watching. Let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the world. Bye bye.